Hi, I'm Farshid and welcome to I'm Your Idea, where I share practical and creative ideas that can really make a difference in your life. Here I share practical and inspiring ideas that can truly change your life. And today I want to share one powerful idea that can open a door to financial freedom for those of you who don't have enough starting capital. Prop trading. So, what is prop trading? Prop trading, short for proprietary trading, means you trade with a company's money instead of your own. The company gives you access to a trading account and in return you share a percentage of the profits. This is an incredible opportunity because instead of needing $10,000 or even $50,000 of your own money to start, you can get access to that kind of capital by proving your trading skills. But here's the important part. Before you jump in, there are some essential steps you need to take. And in this video, I am going to guide you step by step. So, are you interested in Forex, stocks, indexes, or maybe even crypto? Each market has its own style. For example, Forex is highly liquid and trades 24 hours and 5 days, while stocks have set market hours. If you're just beginning, many traders start with Forex or indexes because prop firms usually support those markets and they're easier to access. This is language of trading. You need to know how to read candlesticks, charts, understand support and resistance, moving average and trend lines. The good news is you don't need to spend thousands of dollars on courses. YouTube has amazing free resources. For example, channels like Trading Riot or Trader Dante share valuable knowledge for free. Think of it as your free university. This is where most traders fail. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you have a 2K prop account. If you risk 5% per trade, that's $100. Just 3 losing trades in a row would whip out $300. And in many prop accounts, that could put you very close to failing your challenge. Instead, a professional trader risks only 1% or even 0.5% per trade. That means with a 2K dollars account, you're risking only $10 to $20 per trade. It sounds small, but here's the secret. Prop trading is not about getting rich overnight. It's about building consistency. If you want to grow, you must track your trades. Write down why you entered, why you exited, what went right, what went wrong. After 50 or 100 trades, you'll start seeing patterns in your behavior. Maybe you'll realize you keep losing when you trade after midnight, or even ignore your stop loss. A journal helps you fix those mistakes. If you're finding this useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. If you have an idea you'd like me to cover in the future, let me know and I'll make a video about it. A trading plan is your personal rulebook. It defines when you trade, which steps you look for, how much you risk, and what your target is. Once you create your plan, you need to test it. First with backtesting using a kind of historical data in chart data. And then with forward testing, meaning trying it live on a demo account. If your plan shows positive results after testing, you are finally ready to trade for real. Not all prop firms are the same. Some are reliable, others are scams. Research carefully. Look for companies with good reviews, transparent rules, and fair profit splits. For example, many reputable firms offer accounts starting at 2K. Begin with the smallest account. If you pass the challenge, you can scale up. You might start with 2K, then move to 5K, then 10K, and eventually even 100K. But there's a golden rule. Before you buy any challenge, make sure you have enough saving to afford losing it at least 4 times. Why? Because even skilled traders sometimes fail the first challenge due to emotions or mistakes. If the challenge fee is $200, for example, make sure you have at least $800 available. That way, one failure won't destroy your whole journey. Here's the realistic timeline. If you dedicate 1 year to learning, technical analysis, risk management, journaling, and testing, you can put yourself in a position to start trading with a prop firm seriously. And if you stay disciplined, within another year, you would build a stable source of income. Imagine this. You have a $10K funded account with a 70-30 profit split. If you make 5% in 1 month, that's $500. Your share would be almost $350. Now scale that up. With a $100,000 account, the same 5% gain would be, in some cases, $5K, and your share could be $3,500. The potential is huge, but only if you respect risk management. That's why I want to leave you with one key message. Take risk management seriously. Always set a stop loss. Always calculate your risk to reward ratio. And always keep your trading journal updated. These are the habits that separate successful traders from gamblers. To sum it all up, choose your market, learn technical analysis, master risk management, keep a journal, create a trading plan, test it, and then start small with a prop firm. Step by step, you can build your way to financial freedom, even if you don't have big capital to start with. This is just the beginning of your journey. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, because on this channel, I'll be sharing many more ideas to help you grow in life, in business, and in finance. Thank you for watching, and remember, your next idea starts here.